Yummy. Strong. Jesus Christ. I missed third pretty good there. There was a big bunch of rocks in the road. That's why I switched the sides of the road. That was pretty trash. I'm really honestly just, sounds different without the seat in the back, and I've had a few people been like, oh man, your probably piston rings are probably gone. I want to see if it's still pulling strong. So, works. Seems like it works. You know, everything goes to your head at all times. And I just don't want to put another motor in this car if I don't have to. What do you say?
Is it misfiring?
Does it sound like it's misfiring? Does it?
Maybe if it's real deep in the exhaust.
I don't think it's misfiring. It doesn't sound different there.
The exhaust is so deep.
Yeah. So this is where you'll start. So if it sits for a couple of seconds, like at a light.
Oh wow, you got oil in here.
Oh yeah, that's a lot.
Check the turbo too.
What do you say?
I'm gonna check the turbo.
Yeah, I mean everything at this point. It's a good amount of oil, like out of the light, right? So come to a stop, sit like this for like a minute at a light, then yes, there it is.
Strange.
It pulls strong.
They don't mean that's anything engine-wise. It's just smoking all the time. Does it stop or like if it sits here and idles, does it keep smoking?
I don't know. I haven't really like. This is kind of newer. It's been like fine, and then it would just clear up and stop doing it. Now this is kind of what it used to do once it was hot. Like used to do, meaning motors ago. I've had 2 motors ago. It would stop. It would get hot, like at a light, and then it would do this, and then it would clear up and be fine. Like right now, it's at 212 water temp. That should just pull off.
It's kind of wet. See how it's a little wet?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I'll pull your downpipe off.
Okay.
In there.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, like if it leaks down fine and the compression is fine, then we just point at turbo, and we say, "Hey, Mr. Turbo people, I'll send it back to them for a rebuild." But I have a. Do you want me to shut it down? What do you want to do? I mean, now I feel like I've proven to you. I don't feel like we have to go for a ride.
Just pull it up along here for right now.
Okay.